Welcome back to the third part in this video series. In this video, we're going to go ahead and set up Envoyer and create our first site in Laravel Forge. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Envoyer account. So you're going to press login and enter all your account information. And you'll be logged in. Now, before we can jump right into this, we're going to have to go and add an integration. Now, if you're just brand new to Envoyer, you should see something that says make an integration with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket possibly. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Now, if you don't see that, just press on your name and go to Account, and then go to Integrations, and then we're going to go ahead and it will probably say like something about your GitHub token. So I'm going to go ahead and actually refresh it so I can re-authenticate, but pretty much it should all be the same. So you're going to log in with your GitHub account, and you're going to allow Envoyer to have permission to your account. What it can do is basically read your repositories. That's the most important part. So we're going to go ahead and authorize this application, and it says your GitHub account has been linked. All right, so now we can go ahead and create our first project on Envoyer. So let's press add project and type in our project name. If I remember right, this project I created on my local computer, I think it's Laravel-demo. And my Laravel installation is going to be Laravel 5. And this would be whatever you're using. It's most likely going to be Laravel 5 because that's the most latest up-to-date Laravel installation. The repository is going to be whatever your username is on GitHub, not your email address, but your username, slash the name of the repo. So Laravel demo. Go ahead and press Save Project. Okay, so once you saved your projects, we can actually go ahead and get going with this a little bit further. So let's press the forward icon and let's go to servers. Now, in order to go any further, we have to add a server that we can actually install this repository onto. So let's press add server, and then let's press add server. Okay, and then the name of the server will be, let's just keep it whatever we named, or whatever the default name of the server was on Forge. So let's just go ahead and copy that name and paste it here. We're going to need the IP address of that server as well, so I can go ahead and get it right here. And we're going to need the port, which is default 22, and we're going to connect as the user Forge. Now this is, if you're using Laravel Forge, you'll probably want to connect as the user Forge. And I'm also going to check this box that it runs on PHP 7+. Now if you don't have Laravel 5.2, you cannot check this box. But yeah. So let's go ahead and save server. We need a deployment. Oh, my bad. We need a deployment path. So we need to type in /home/forge/ the name of the site. So the name of the site, we're going to go to Forge right after this and create this site. It's going to be demo.tjushack.me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save the server. And we're going to have to go ahead and copy this to our Laravel Forge server. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go back to Laravel Forge, and I'm going to go ahead and manage Calm Temple. And before I go ahead and add that key, I'm going to actually add that domain. So it's going to be demo.whatever your name, or it's going to be whatever you put your domain in the last one. And I'm only using a subdomain just because this is demonstration purposes. The current web directory, we're going to have to change this. That needs to be current/public. And if you want to allow subdomains, you can just press that and press add site. All right, so it's going to go ahead and add this site. It's installing, and it should be done in a couple seconds. So the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is go to SSH keys, and we're going to name this SSH key Envoyer. And I'm going to paste my public key in there. And it will go ahead and add this key, that Envoyer key, to the server so Envoyer can go ahead and SSH into the server and do necessary configurations. So we can go back to Envoyer now because we're pretty much done with Forge. So we can go ahead and close this. and we can actually test our connection status. Awesome. So as we can see right now, we're up and going on the server, and everything seems to be going just fine. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and deploy our repository on the server, and we're almost done. So if you've liked this video, please go ahead and like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't know really why I say rate, but it's just comment, like, and subscribe. There's also a affiliation link for DigitalOcean. You can go ahead and get $10 off your first server if you're interested in that. So thank you guys, and see you next video.